This is a Canva presentation, and right now this button is not clickable. I mean, you can click on it, but it's not going to lead you to anything. It's just empty. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make a button in Canva to be clickable, and the viewer of the document, or when you are presenting the document, the button will be clickable and you can easily open a different page or a different document using that technique. So let me show you how. First, I'm going to close this presentation and I'm going to make this element to be clickable. This already being grouped, but if you have, let's say, a shape, an icon, and also the text, I do recommend to just select all of them and then you want to group them. So it's going to make it easy to ensure that every single element in that section will be clickable. And after that, you can click on it and you can right click and you want to click on link, or press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and K. And then here you can search for a document. You can also insert a URL like maybe Wikipedia, and you can click done. So this element in particular will be hyperlinked. So this will be clickable. And by the way, before I continue, you might have noticed that the text usually will have this underline. If you don't like it, you can click on the text and you can click this underline icon and that will be removed. So after that, you can present the document again. If you publish the document as a website, you can update the design, and after that you will see that that element would be clickable. As you can see, the cursor is different now, and when I click on it, it will open a new page, which in this case a Wikipedia page. So that's exactly how you can make a button to be clickable in Canva.